Hi, this is John from 𝐿𝐷𝐼𝐾.com, and today I'm super excited to present to you what I believe is one of the best methods on this channel. All right, why? First of all, you can do this just with your mobile phone. The only skill you need to have is how to copy and paste, literally. This works in any country whatsoever. You don't need any prior experience whatsoever, any technical skills, and the profit from this method is huge. All right, before we get into all of that, and you have to stick right until the end so you don't miss any single detail of this method, I invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online and earning an extra income from home, which is directly associated with the method I'm going to show you to multiply your profits, maximize your profits, and for you to keep all the money from what I'm going to show you. All right, so make sure to click on that link so you can see that. Now, that's available right now. Okay, so I don't know if when you're watching this video and if that what I'm going to show you right now and that behind that link is going to be still available. So hurry to get that. All right, so if you're excited also to see what's coming up, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you will make sure you're not going to miss out any of my upcoming videos on different ways how you can work online and earn an extra income from home. All right, so let's get right to this. Now, we're going to be making money off a website called Freelancer. Okay, now hold on. You don't need to have any technical skills to do this. Okay, this is a freelancing website. You don't need to be a freelancer. Hold on, be patient. Okay, now you can find this on your Google App Store. Okay, this is a Freelancer. It's a 4.1 star rating out of 29,000 reviews. You can find it also on the App Store, and we're going to be using Freelancer to make a killing online. So I'm accessing now Freelancer from my computer, but I said you can do this from your phone. And here are different jobs, okay, different projects that people post because they're looking for freelancers to complete these projects. So for example, here you can see that this person wants a 30-second explainer animation video and is paying $750 to $1,500 for just a measly 30-second video, as you can see here, right? 30-second explainer animation video. All right, $750 to $1,500 is his budget. Okay, and there are people who are bidding here for this project, as you can see. To find these projects, it's very easy. Just go here in Freelancer and on the search bar, type, for example, animation explainer. All right, so now we're going to go onto one of my favorite websites, which is Fiverr.com. Again, there's an app for this. If you want to do it on your phone, you can just find it on the App Store, Fiverr. Okay, huge rating, 4.6 rating. And here is on the iPhone, on the iTunes. And you can go and search here where it says video and animation, whiteboard and animated explainers. Okay, just open a free account to log into Fiverr. Now here you can see there are different kinds of videos that people do. Now I'm going to sort out here by best-selling so we can find the best sellers. Okay, now these are people here on Fiverr website that do these kind of videos for peanuts, literally peanuts. So for example, you can see here $5, $30, $10, they're starting at these prices. Okay, $25, $50, $60. So I've opened up here one of these sellers, okay, which is a 5-star rated seller recommended by Fiverr, has over 437 positive reviews, as you can see here, and is doing these videos for a ridiculously low price. So we said, let's go back here. We said this guy wants here a 30-second explainer video. Now, 30-second explainer video, let's go back here to Fiverr. This guy charges 0 to 15-second video, okay? This is a custom explainer video animation, $50. $16 to $30, he charges $150. So what you're going to do here is you're going to come here, you're going to bid for this project, and I'm going to go into that in right a second. Hold on, because I know some of you are thinking a few things right now. I'm going to cover these. So you're going to come here and you're going to bid for this project, and if you, let's say, if you suggest to do this project for $1,150. This guy is paying up to $1,500. You are gonna pocket $1,000 for doing nothing. Okay, literally what you need to do is you're gonna bid here for the project. We're gonna cover that in a second. And if the project gets assigned to you, all right, because there are other people also bidding, then you will just go here on Fiverr and you're gonna place your order. You're gonna, the seller here on Freelancer is gonna pay for this service. Okay, they pay, but you actually get the money when the service is delivered. Okay, but it's a way so you can both be sure that you're going to get what you are going for. So the seller, he wants to be sure he's going to get the service from you, and you want to be sure that you're going to be paid for the seller. So he pays, but the funds are kind of blocked, okay, until you deliver. All right, if that makes sense. So as soon as the project gets assigned to you, after the bidding process, of course, has been completed, you will come here, you're going to place your order for 150 bucks, and you're just going to be the middleman. All right, so all you need to do is whatever this person says here from the messaging, you will just copy it, paste it to the Fiverr guy here, and he's going to do the job. All right, now if the Fiverr guy's got a question, he's going to message you. You're just going to copy that message. You're going to paste it here to this guy. Okay, he's going to respond, copy paste. That's all the skills you need to have to make this happen. So let's look at some other examples. All right, and we're going to go and cover into how you're going to bid, how you're going to get the job, and all of that in a second. So here's another job. This is a 2-minute commercial product introduction video for some software. Custom graphics requested. All right, so this guy is paying again $750 to $1,500. All right, so this one, the cost is going to be a little bit higher. So that we're going to go into the range here. All right, so 60 seconds, it's $200. So we're talking about $400. All right, $400. So for example, if you were to bid for this project at $1,400, you would keep $1,000 profit in your pocket. Okay, now these are just some numbers that I'm giving you here that, you know, they're coming from actual budget of the client, but of course you can bid a lot less if you want, so you can have greater chances of booking that project. Okay, so even if you don't make $1,000 out of this transaction and you make 500, that's pretty darn good money, considering the fact that all thing you need to do is you just need to copy and paste. You're not going to do any of the work. Now here are some other projects. 3D character created, $750 to $1,500. Now 3D characters, I've got another video that shows you an all-inclusive platform that you can create professional, stunning videos in any niche and in any language. And you can watch that video if you want later on. Just click right here above where it's the eye icon, and you can watch that video. Okay, the link is also below in the description. Now, this software that I'm showing you in that video there's not a pitch about that software, but that software is going to basically help you to create these kind of videos in a matter of minutes. So you don't need to, you know, pay this $150 or $200 or $400, so you can keep all the profit to yourself, and you can create those videos within minutes, okay, with that platform. But enough of that. You can see that if you click on the link below. You can see all about that. All right, so again, huge profits. This is another one. This is 2D animation video, just 40 seconds. So again, 40 seconds, this guy is charging $40, and they're paying you $250 to $750. Here's another one. This is develop a video with effect of handwriting. Okay, this is a whiteboard animation video. The guy's paying $250 to $750. Whiteboard animation video, there it is. I will create a whiteboard explainer animation video. They're starting from $5 freaking for a 60-second video. then it goes up to $15, then $25. Okay, the maximum you're going to pay for this is $25, and you can get paid $250 up to $750 just from this one alone. Here's another one, a 3D model, $250 to £750. Another one, a simple animation of a profile, $250 to £750, and they just go on and on and on. Okay, so many options, so many offers for you. All right, so let's go into the actual process of how you're going to do this, okay, and how you're going to maximize the chances of you getting deals. All right, first of all, you need to understand that when you're going to start this, you're going to be fresh. You're going to have a fresh profile. All right, so first of all, what I highly recommend is that you drop your prices. Okay, I would go, like, say, starting out, I'll go and bid for the bare minimum so I can get the job, okay? Because you want to start building a reputation here on the freelancer website. Now, like Freelancer, there are a ton of other websites. I'm going to have the links below, like Upwork, like Guru, People Per Hour. All the links, like I said, you're going to find them right here below this video, which is going to give you a lot more options to find projects like this to bid for. So just to get started here, all you need to do is you just complete here your first name, your last name, brief introduction, a summary about yourself, your hourly rate. Again, keep it low when you're going to start off, languages you know, your location, save, and then you can start bidding. Now, in the beginning, you want to bid to as many projects as you can. Start with Freelancer, then move to the other websites that I have below. And you want to do that because right off the bat, there is going to be competition. There are other people bidding, and you want to maximize the chances of closing a job. I know a lot of you are thinking, but John, look at all these people. They've got all these ratings. Why are they going to choose me? All these people, and every single one of them that has all these ratings started from zero. If they can do it, you can do it too. Especially if you don't need to do all the work, for freaking sake. Other people are going to do the work for you. Other people with high ratings, okay, they're professionals. 5-star rating out of 437 reviews, positive reviews. All right, these people, they know what they're doing, okay. 516 positive reviews here, 5 stars. These people, they know what they're doing, okay. You're going to carefully select the people who are going to do the jobs for you. All right, so go and apply to as many of these jobs as you can. Start with a minimum bid so you can start building a profile. You know, sooner or later, you're going to close your first job. You're going to get a great rating. Make sure you are there. You are answering questions. When your client here on Freelancer needs something, make sure you respond quickly and go on Fiverr, message the person who's going to do the actual video, and make sure you provide great customer service. Again, this is so freaking easy. You can do it from your phone. You don't need any experience, anything whatsoever. This other person does it for you. Now, something very, very important. Okay, now the client here is going to ask you, very high chances that they're going to ask you for a few samples of your work. To get these samples, you need to communicate with a person here on Fiverr and tell them, listen, I have access to many clients, but I need samples of your work. All right. People here on Fiverr, the sellers on Fiverr, they're going to be delighted to give you some samples of their work so you can bring in more business for them. All right. I've personally gone into this process of contacting the sellers, of finding samples of their work, and they were delighted to give me samples of their work so I can present them to future clients and close deals. All right, so don't worry about that. You just need to have a very good, strong relationships with the people here who are actually going to be doing those videos. Build that know, like, and trust. They're going to give you their material so you can bring to them more clients. Now, another very, very important tip for you. You don't want to be just working with one seller. I highly recommend you work with at least 2 to 3 sellers, just in case one seller cannot deliver on time or they've got a problem or whatever, so you're not left stranded. All right, get your best seller, work with them, but always have some backup sellers to work with. Now, closing, if you're okay with sharing your commission with a seller guy on Fiverr, sharing $200, $400 commission, then that's fine. If you would like to have that commission also and get all the profit, then make sure to click on the link right here below this video. If it's still available, I don't know if it's still available if you're watching this video later on. Make sure also to watch that video. You can also watch the video by clicking on the link here above, and you can see how you can get access to an all-inclusive video platform that creates highly professional videos in a matter of minutes. There are ready templates. You can customize everything you want. You can do it in any niche, in any language, in a matter of minutes. No experience here needed. All the training they're provided for you. All right, so if that interests you, click on that link below, get access to the training, get access to the all-inclusive platform, and make sure you do this and you keep 100% of the profit. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, if you got any value from this, please smash the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, and select the bell icon so you will be sure that anytime I launch a new video, you're not going to miss it out. You're going to get a notification right there in your inbox. So thank you very much for watching. Click on that link below to get instant access again to my #1 recommendation to working online and earning an extra income from home. Super happy to have you here watching this video. Can't wait to hear your success with this method. Please comment below if you got any questions. I do my best to answer most questions 1 hour after I release my videos. And I wish you all the best. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.